In this video, I'll show you how to add Litecoin to Trust Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if someone tells you to send you more higher Litecoin wallet address, it can be your friend or anybody. What you're going to do now, you're going to click on this manage, right? So we're going to adopt the Litecoin wallet to our Trust Wallet now. Come on here, type in Litecoin. Once I've typed in Litecoin, this is the Litecoin I'm going to add now. Click on this, right? Once I've clicked on it, it's going to on automatically. Go back. You can see one Litecoin is currently trading for $108 at the time I'm recording this video. And you click on it, you click the receive button, right? Once I click on this receive, you are going to get the address you can send to the person. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.